Okay guys, good morning and welcome to the second video of the day. So in this question we are going to do the volume of a cone, and as we know that volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. They told us to find the volume and pi as 3.14, which is already given, so I just have to use 1/3. R in this case is 1.5, so I'll write here 1.5. Now 1.5 times 1.5 is 2.25 and 1/3. So whenever you're doing the calculations on the calculator, what you're going to do, 1 times 3.14 times 2.25 times 4, and then whatever is in the bottom you will do together. So if you do this, you should get 9.42. Units is inches, so inches cubic. So 9.42 cubic inches. You can write this way also or this way also. So if you know the volume of cone, how can you find the volume of cylinder? I know volume of cone is equal to 1/3 of cylinder. That means 3 cones make 1 cylinder. So if I know the volume of one cone, which I know in the previous example, I know the volume of one cone is 9.42, and as I can see that I can draw a cylinder. I can say this is the volume I know, this is the second cone, this is the third cone. So times 3 is 28.26 inches cubic will be the volume of the whole cylinder. So if you know the volume of one cone, just multiply that by 3 and that is equal to the volume of cylinder. Okay, good job guys. Next page. Now if you're going to do the straight question, they have given us the height, they have given us the hypotenuse, they did not give us the radius. Radius is we are supposed to find. So to find the volume I need the radius. So first I'll find the radius by using Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem says c square minus, suppose I take this as a and this is b. So c square minus a square is equal to b square. So c is phi, so phi square minus 3 square is equal to b square. Now pi square is 25, 5 times 5 is 25, 3 square, 3 times 3 is 9, that is equal to b square. So 16 equals b square. So basically if you want to find the b, that is equal to 4. And what is the b in this case? Radius equals 4. Now I'll find the volume because I have the radius, 1/3 times pi r square h. So what I'll do is 1/3. They told me to use pi as 22/7. So I'll use 22/7 times r square. R is 4. 4 times 4 times height is 3. So what you're going to do on the calculator, 1 times 22 times 4 times 4 times 3 divided by, you do 7 times 3, 21, and then you divide this whole by 21 and you should get volume equals 50.28. So volume is equal to 50.28 millimeter cubic. This is what the answer you're supposed to get. Okay, so we are done with this question. Now we are going to look for the other one. Express the volume in terms of pi. In this case they gave me the height which I need, but again the radius is not given, but they gave me the circumference. So I need to know what the formula for circumference is. 2 pi r. The circumference is 16 pi is equal to 2 pi r. I need to find the r, so I keep the r as it is. Divide by 2 pi on both the sides. This gets cancelled. So r is equal to 16 divided by 2 is 8. So I got r as 8. Now I do volume equals 1 by 3. In this case, the pi is pi, so times pi only. I'm not going to use any number for it. Times r is 8. So 8 times 8 r square. So, and the height is 21. So you do on your calculator 1 times 8 times 8 times 21 divided by 3. Then you should get volume as 448 pi. Because the pi I did not use at any units, feet cubic, and this should be my answer. But to find the volume, I need to find the r, and there are two ways. I can use Pythagorean. Whatever information is given, depending upon that, I have to decide a strategy to use Pythagorean theorem or the circumference formula. Okay guys, see you again.